What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. This knife was sent by the Apex Pass-Around Group, which likely means whatever's inside was sent by the manufacturer, which is fine. I love that. I do not know what it is, but it's exciting nonetheless. Speaking of that, there's nothing more, seriously, you guys know how many boxes, or how many knives I've unboxed on this channel. I love unboxing knives. And whether they're sent from the Pass-Around Group or especially the ones that I buy for myself, I just love, the anticipation of a new knife coming in. Everybody loves that, and I know it's like I say in every video, and you guys know why. I don't try to hide it, but I know that you guys have the itch just like me, and a lot of us are always looking for the next thing. So, as you guys know, down in the description, I've made it very easy for you guys. Some of my favorite folding knives of all time, some of the most popular folding knives of all time by brand, and I've also included general categories. So if you're looking to browse an entire brand like ZT, Spyderco, Benchmade, WE, Civivi, you're looking for specific budget knives, I have something down there in that description for everybody. So if you love the anticipation of a new knife, you can use my links down there in the description. They are for your convenience. Anyways, what do we have here? This looks like I'm going to take a guess. This looks like a Civivi box. Or, okay, a WE knife box. That still counts. I still got it right. What is this? How do I get into this? Is it like this? Oh, God. Am I the first one? Is this new? Is this sticker here? Really? Okay. All right. Well, hang on. Everybody bear with me. You could take this opportunity to, if you're on your tablet, your phone, or your PC, take this opportunity to open up the description and have a look at my conveniently sorted out list of... There we go. Okay. Come on now. Here we go. What do we have? Okay. Here's the lump. Not a big knife, it doesn't feel like. Let's see. Oh boy, this is something that I am completely unfamiliar with. Look at this. What is the model? Do we have the model somewhere? Okay, here we go, right here. 908B, how do you say this word? Schism? Is that how you say it? Oh gosh, I hope I said that correctly. CPM S35VN blade, refined stonewash finish. I love that, refined stonewash. Gray tie handle and blue anodized holes. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is the Mongoose. I did not put that together until I saw the blade. Is this a production? This looks like a production Mongoose. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm saying things and I don't know what I'm talking about. You guys remember the Jerry Moen custom Mongoose that I reviewed? Looks a lot like that. Man, I hope I'm not stepping on another maker by saying that. Okay, I don't know for sure. In fact, I have no idea. Let's just leave it at, that looks a lot like the Mongoose to me, but it could be completely different. In any case, this is a really cool piece. It looks like definitely bearings. Look at there. Hold this up here. Garaged, the external stop pins, you can see there. So that's cool. Thumb studs are a little barrely, a little bit pokey, but they look like they've got little ball bearings up there at the top. All right, some anodized holes, some nice, look at they put the steel. Oh, that's great. Awesome. Steel lock bar insert, nice pocket clip. We got some barrel spacers. Very cool. Extremely smooth, a lot heavier detent than I would have guessed on a knife like this. But you can see how that flies open there. Can I do let's see if I can get the reverse flick. Oh yeah, for sure. That thing fires hard. That is cool. So there you go. I have no idea if that's based on the Mongoose or not. I'm sorry, that just like popped into my head, and then I started laughing because I was so sure that was the case, but I'm not sure of that. 90B Schism. I hope that's how you pronounce that. In any case, guys, that's going to be pretty much it. Like I said, if you got the itch, there are links in the description for your convenience, Amazon affiliate links. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more knife content coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.